double crochet cluster. You can make cluster stitches with a various number of stitches. This one is 2 double crochets that are joined together as a cluster stitch. So I'm going to show you how to do that. To begin, you basically start like you're making a regular double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into whatever stitch you're supposed to be working into. So we're going to go in here. Yarn over, pull up a loop. There's now 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's 2 loops left on your hook. So far this is just like a double crochet, and now here's where we change. In order to make the 2 double crochet cluster, we now need to make the second double crochet. So we're doing half of the first one, and now we're going to do half of the second one. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch as before, yarn over, pull up a loop. There are now 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's now 3 loops on your hook, and if you look at what you've made so far, you basically have the bottom half of 2 double crochets. And this is a 2 double crochet cluster, so that's as many bottom halves as we need. So now what we're going to do is yarn over and pull through everything on our hook, and that is a 2 double crochet cluster. Okay, so I'm going to show you that again. I'm just going to chain 1 before we make the next one. I'm leaving a little space in between each of them so you can see what we're doing here. And let's make one more. Yarn over, insert your hook into your designated stitch. So again, we're just going to skip 1 and go into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. That's the bottom half of 1 double crochet. Now we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch as before. Yarn over, pull up a loop. There's now 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops on our hook and the bottom half of 2 double crochets. Yarn over, pull through everything on our hook. And there you go, another 2 double crochet cluster. That's all it takes.